What are the common examples of a reflexive relation? Say set inclusion relation. So this set inclusion relation, this is a reflexive relation because we can write for a set A, we can write A is a subset or equal to the set A. It's a reflexive relation. So here the relation R is set inclusion relation. So another example is less than equal to relation. So less than equal to relation is also a reflexive relation because for any for any element A, we can write A is less than equal to A. So that means 2 is less than equal to 2. We can write this. That's why this relation is a reflexive relation. Can you tell me an example of a relation which is not reflexive? These two lines are perpendicular. These two lines are supposed perpendicular to each other. So if we define the relation as a perpendicular, so denoted by perpendicular is denoted by this inverted T. So L1 is perpendicular to L2. So in case of two lines, L1 and L2 being perpendicular, we can denote by this. Now let us take single line L. Say L1 is perpendicular to L1. लाइन L1 जो है खुद के ऊपर परपेंडिकुलर होगा, ये कभी पॉसिबल नहीं है ना? इसलिए ये परपेंडिकुलर रिलेशन जो है रिफ्लेक्सिव रिलेशन नहीं होगा, ठीक। लेकिन इंस्टेड ऑफ परपेंडिकुलर इफ वी से L1 is parallel to L2, then this parallel relation is a reflexive relation because line L1 is always parallel to the line L1 itself. That's why in this case it is a this relation is a reflexive. What is symmetric relation? Relation R on a set A is said to be symmetric if and only if for all A B belongs to A implies that A is related to B implies that B is also related to A. Or in other words, we can say that if A B belongs to the relation R implies that B A must be in the relation R. Okay, this is called symmetric relation. Example of symmetric relation. Example of symmetric relation is perpendicular relation. So L1 is perpendicular to L2 implies that L2 is also perpendicular to L1. L1 अगर L2 से perpendicular है तो L2 L1 के साथ भी perpendicular होगा, है ना? ये लाइन सपोज L1 L2, तो L1 इसका perpendicular है या तो हम इसे बोल सकते हैं L2 इसका perpendicular है, दोनों केस सही है, इसलिए ये perpendicular relation is a symmetric relation. So, see an example in which the relation is not symmetric. For example, A divides B does not imply B divides A. A अगर B को डिवाइड कर रहा है तो ये जरूरी नहीं कि B भी A को डिवाइड करेगा, जैसे 2 divides 4, but 4 does not divide 2. ये तो डिवाइड नहीं करता है ना, इसलिए this divide symbol is a relation which is not symmetric relation. Okay. Now transitive relation. Now what is transitive relation? A relation R on a state A is said to be transitive if for all A, B, C belongs to A is related to B, and B is related to C implies that A is directly related to C. इस तरह से होगा. तो in this case, for example, parallel relation. Suppose we have 3 lines L1, L2, L3. So L1 is parallel to L2, suppose, and L2 is parallel to L3. Then we can say that L1 is also parallel to L3. Anti-symmetric. What is anti-symmetric relation? What is anti-symmetric relation? A relation, suppose we have a set A, then the relation R on the set A is said to be an anti-symmetric relation if A B belongs to R and B A belongs to R implies that A and B are same. For example, A is subset of B and B is subset of A. So if these conditions hold simultaneously if and only if A and B are equal. That's why this set inclusion is an anti-symmetric relation. The relation R, which is reflexive, symmetric, and transitive. Then the relation R is called equivalence relation. Then the relation R is called equivalence relation. If the relation R is reflexive, anti-symmetric, reflexive, anti anti-symmetric, and transitive, then the relation R is called partial order relation. Okay. Suppose we have a set S and the relation R is a partial order relation. Then this structure is called coset. So we'll talk about equivalence relations and partial order relations in the next lecture.